Paul Dodson is 8:53, 87.71.
Just a quick little side note here before you guys come out here on the track. Please check your cars and make sure it's not leaking any fluids of any sort. Once again, before you head down the track, double check your car and make sure it's not leaking any fluids. Chief Capo, it is.